Hello everyone, welcome back to Shane Shed. Back on my Outlander. Today I'm going to be doing the air filter for the 2.4 litre inline 4. Hang around and let's get into it. So the filter we've got is an A1622 and this should be a real quick job, so I'm going to set the camera up and we'll get into it. Okay, so air filter is in between this housing, so this section here should actually be the air filter. So it's got these clips on the top here. Not too sure how many others we've got, but that might just be it. Just a matter of splitting those. We can slide that bad boy out. Throw that one over there. And simply slide the new one in. Clip together, and just having a quick feel to make sure that's sitting in properly, because that just seemed way too simple, but I'm pretty sure that feels like it is it. So guys, I just done that pretty much in real time there. There's no editing or anything done. That is as simple as it gets. It's probably one of the easiest air filters I've ever had to change out. So I mean, this one wasn't too bad. I'm not so sure even. I don't know what brand that is. It could be a general Mitsubishi one. I don't know. There's a manufacturer date, 23rd of 12th, 2019. So, you know, it could have been in for a little while. This car is new to me. I have no idea how long this has been in for. So, just be easier and just change it out. So, thanks very much for watching, people. Give us a thumbs up if you like that. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. This is a 2.4. So this is